How to use HQDFM to perform PCB DFA analysis. Footprint checking. 1. Prepare the Gerber and drill files, centroid, pick-and-place, files, and BOM. Upload the Gerber files. 2. Click PCBA Analysis and upload the centroid files and BOM. 3. Let HQDFM carry out footprint analysis and click View to check the results. HQDFM found an issue with this component. The PCB footprint is much larger than the component. Verify the error by referring to the component's datasheet. In this scenario, we typically have two options. One option is to modify the footprint according to the manufacturer's datasheet, or we can change the part to a package that matches the footprint. After switching the package, the problem has been resolved. HQDFM can highlight hundreds of different DFM and DFA problems in seconds. Download HQDFM for free and take your circuit board designs to the next level.